So to see how that works, we can go to Motion, the Motion drawer, and scroll down, and we'll pull out the Change X and the Change Y blocks, and we will change them by the X speed and the Y speed, and that's what's going to happen at the end of our script. When we come into the script, we should set the speeds, both of them, to 0. That way, no matter how it was moving at the end of the last game, when you start the new game, it resets its speed, so it's standing still when the game starts. Actually, it's probably a good idea to reset the position too, so we'll have it go to Motion, and if you go to, you can see a bunch of blocks that you don't normally see. Just find the regular go to block and just send it to the origin 0, 0 at the start of a new game. So that will start the new game. Then we will have to have a forever script to actually run the controls. And at the end of that, at the bottom of that forever script, we will update the position based on the speed. But before we do that, the controls should update the speed. Those controls will just say if, and then in sensing, if you're pressing up or down or right or left, it'll do certain things. It will change those variables. So back in the data drawer, we will change rather than set. If you're pressing up, it'll change Y by 1. Change Y by -1 if you press down. And you can do those for X when you press right or when you press left. And that is our motion controls for our character. If you run the script now, just by clicking it, you'll see it's running. Then it's reset its position and set its speed to 0. And if I press up just for a second, you can see it start drifting up. And if I press down for a second, it starts drifting down. And if I press up for a little bit longer, it moves up quickly. If I press down, I can get it to slow down, speed up. This is applying a force. This isn't just setting its speed. This is a little bit more natural looking. And this is what we wanted. And when we restart, it resets. So that's good. So that is our basic control script. Now I'm going to have it bounce off the edges. Actually, let's not have it bounce off the edges. I think it's fine the way it is. We've got our control script running. Let's hide our variables. And that is good for our player. In the next video, we will go over creating some objects that we can randomly scatter across the play area that we can then move around, pick up, which will allow us to, once we get them all, win the game. So I will see you there.